Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video view of the LAKHOW, their 4-foot diameter bifold white plastic folding table with a nice handle. This is 29 inches tall in the height and it weighs about 27 pounds and it folds up so that you can easily carry it. I'm going to show what it looks like when it's opened up so you see the proper way to align everything. Here's the handle, which just stays down when you're using the table, and then when you close it up, just put it like that so that you can actually carry the table. As you can feel, you could put just a lot of weight in here, like 400 pounds, before it has any issues. It's got a little beveled edge on there. It has little black dots in there, which I did on purpose, just to give it the look of porcelain, or whatever they're calling it, the finish. Well, you can kind of see the little dots in there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it looks nice and smooth, very easy to clean. So this is what it looks like when it's fully assembled. I'm going to show you a close-up of the different components of it right now as I move in. So each leg has a lock, so you have to push this hard enough to have this go parallel, form a straight line, and then it locks in place, and that's on each one of the 4 legs. Then there's a separate piece which gets stored in the center right there, 2 of them. And that piece is what causes the legs to be held really strongly in place. And you can see right there, there's a pin. One side is larger than the other side. Put it in the larger side, then you push down with your hand and it locks in place. That's what holds the whole thing. You can see it has rivets on the top and on the bottom. That's what allows it to fold up nicely. On the bottom of it, it has rubberized feet, which is really nice. It won't scratch. And then over here it has a handle which will close in like that, but typically you want to close it like that so that you can hold the unit. It looks like a really sturdy handle on there that allows you to actually carry this unit. Very nicely designed. It's got a heavy weight to it, so you gotta be willing to be able to hold this, but it does fold, which makes it a lot easier, a lot more mobile. So what do I think about the LAKHOW, their 4-foot bifold white plastic folding table with handle? Very nice quality. This is going to come in handy during the summer months and spring and fall, so that you can have a nice table to have a picnic outside, and it could hold easily 4 to 6 people. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. Please use those links to help support this channel. Hope the information I presented here helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.